Good morning, guys. This is Jaylee at Prosper 6106, and today we'll be talking about how to properly merchandise the cactus table. First, what you're going to do is go through and cull any product, overgrown, leggy. This guy right here doesn't have many leaves, so she would cull that. As she's culling, she's putting it into the basket, ensuring she's scrapping out as she goes. As you can see, she's already scrapped part of the table here. Another point in culling is, as you can see, these two flats here, the one on the left is extremely vibrant in color. It has a lot of blues and purples, even some pinks. And then these flats over here don't really have much color. They're dull, and you can tell they've been setting here for a while. If you do have that product, make sure you scrap out the dull product. That way you can get nice, vibrant, fresh flats. We'll be talking about basic merchandising. As you can see here, she's pulling the product from the back and refilling to the front, filling all the holes, ensuring that the customers are able to shop the product easily and able to reach all the stuff. As you can see here, there is a basket on the back row, yet there's room on the front row. So she'll make sure she's moving the baskets forward, as well as over here. She has room to move these forward, making them easily accessible to shoppers. Once she's done with all the baskets, she will go through each table and make sure everything's front and faced. As you can see here, all the product is front, faced, and some are spaced. Jaylee's finished working the table, making sure everything's merchandised and spaced. She's going to go through and make sure that there are no holes like this one. She is able to replace it, pull out of the scrap, a fresh product out of the scrap, and replace it into the hole, making the product look nice and fresh, ready to go for a customer. So make sure you're cleaning up around your cactus table once you work to get all the succulent leaves picked up, any loose dirt that would cause a slip hazard, and ensure that you're sweeping it up and getting it off the ground. Do not just leave your pile on the ground until you can find a dustpan. Always have a dustpan handy and ready to go. That way you can get all the debris off the ground. Next, we'll be talking about signage and watering. As you can see, this sign is nice and bright, and this one is faded. So Jaylee went to go get the yellow safety ladder. As she climbs it, she gets 3 points of contact to replace the signage. As you can tell, Jaylee is not tall enough to put this up. If there's not a yellow ladder accessible, there's always the trick that you can use with the metal signage. You take the metal signage, stack it just like that, and then you're able to reach the top and it pulls right off. Watering the cactus table, you only water every Monday and Friday. And when you water, depending on what you're watering, as you can see, these aloe vera are very dry. So Jaylee's gonna give them a drink right now. But when you're watering, you just want to give them a light water. You're not gonna do 3 to 5 seconds on each pot. Just hit the tables, hit each pot lightly, and then they should be good to go. As you can see, she's merchandising her indoor displays, ensuring they are full and neat, making sure that all the tags are out. Here we have the aloe vera, the attention to detail, all the tags are facing forward, and everything is ready to go, as your indoor display should be. Make sure you're paying attention to the watering on these and water them Mondays and Fridays if needed.
Thanks for watching Minute Merchandising on Cactus.